Module 4 it covers the biodiversity, introduction and definition. The main objective for this session, biodiversity conservation, has the three main objectives to preserve diversity, species diversity and sustainable utilization of the species. And session of the outcome, understanding the meaning and nature of biodiversity, conservation of sustainable utilization of species ecosystem to maintain the supporting system. Introduction. The great varieties of life in an earth has provided the man needs for the thousands of years. The diversity of the living creature forms the support of the system which has been the civilization growth and development of the bounty of the nature carefully sustainable survival. Those that overused or misused or disintegrated, the science is as attempted to classify categories of the variability of nature for our century. This led to the understanding the organization into the communities of the plants and animals. This information is the help to utilize of the earth's biological wealth for the benefits. The humanity and has been integral to the process of the development. This includes better health care, better crops use these life forms raw material for the industrial growth which led to the higher standards for the livings. The developed world, however, has also produced the modern consumerist society which has negative effect on diversity of the biological diversity. The resource upon which based on the diversity of the life on earth is to the great. If you use sustainably, you can go on developing new products from the biodiversity of the many generations. This can only happen the managed biodiversity as a precious resource prevent for the extinction of the species. Mainly the biological diversity or diversity is the part nature which includes the difference of the genes among the individual of the species of the variety and also richness and plant and animal species and the different scales at the space locally region. In the country, the world various type of ecosystem, the both terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem within the definite areas. The Wilson in the 1988 defined the biological diversity or biodiversity that the part nature which include the difference of the genes among the individual of a species, the varieties of richness all the plants and animals are called as the biological diversity. In the different scales of the species, the local, regional, country wise or global wise, various type of ecosystems, both terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem within the defined areas. The biological diversity deals with degree of the nature in the most of the variety of the biosphere. The variety of the biosphere can be observed the three levels. Genetical variability within the genetical variability is occurred by in the within the species, variety of the species or within the community, and the organization of the species in the area distinct to the plant and animal communities constitute the ecosystem diversity.